Show me 1024 Dollarway South towards North Metro. Okay, he's not stopping. I'm 1037. Direction. We're going off Vaughn Avenue, headed towards Blue Street. Gonna be making a right on Juniper. Right on Juniper. Okay, we're going. Still on Juniper, crossing the railroad. We're going to pull and headed towards University. On Beat Street. He's going down West 2nd towards University. Speed's 86. Still going east on 2nd. Coming up Sherry Street. Coming up Walnut off 2nd Street. Speed's 109. Bad Rick. Gonna be Walnut. Turn over, fire. Stay in 15. Hands, let me see your hands. Hey, somebody got a fire extinguisher. Somebody got a fire extinguisher. It's on fire. It's on fire. You ain't got one. You got one? Hey, somebody check on them. Do y'all see anybody? Yeah, he's right here. Hey, hold cover. I got it. My man, if you move any way, you gonna get blasted. You hear me? Let's try to go on the other side. No, they can't. Hey, go look at my trunk. I got a fire extinguisher. It's in my black bag. Hey, hold cover. I'm gonna try to put this fire out. Keep your hands where we can see them.
We'll be right in front of Donna Reynolds building. Donna Reynolds coming here. Checking the chestnut.
Nah, problem, but I'll be using my fire extinguisher trying to put out the fire. Also seeing next list 1016. We need fire. You need to be tracked.
Hey, we got an ETA fire.
Can you get to him, Kelly? He's about right here inside. Stop moving your head. Get mine out. Hey, wait a minute, go get the door. I don't want it to catch fire while he's in. Alright, keep your hands up. I got to get his foot.
No, not that one, the other one.
Hey, give me your foot.
It's not that one, it's the other one.
You said this one can open it. Hey, get the fuck back, goddamn, Dozy. Hey, shit, get back. Hey, stop moving. Hey, watch it. Let us see hands. Let us see hands. Let us see hands. Let us see hands. 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 Hey, break that son buck out. Shut up.
What's the song?
On your back.
I can't. Oh, God, I didn't even do anything. Oh, my God.
Who else is up with you?
Is this okay?
Hey, hold on. Is there anybody else in there? Is there anybody else in there? Get him back. All right. Get him up. Hey, somebody else is in there. Somebody else is in there. Hold on. Step back. Hey, come on. Come on. Hands behind your back. Anybody else in there? Anybody else in there? No. Oh, my hip. My hip. Zach, get this. My hip. I got you. Oh, my hip. Yeah, I'm good.
Come down, man, and then rest on second. Unless he had a put in.
I'm sorry, Tom. The tempo couldn't be. I have to get him out. You want to do it quick? Yeah. I got it.
What about energy?
He's ready.
We got a phone down. I'll put down a phone. I know.